Good luck.
Okay.
Our job is to basically cover all of Sinking Valley, right?
Yep.
And that's pretty much it.
Within the Culp Circle.
Yeah.
This would be a good place for a winter wren with this.
Yeah. Bottom. Winter wren.
Oh, Eastern bluebird.
2 red-tailed hawks.
2 red tails. Yeah.
So we have about 18.
We didn't even get any like crows or ravens on
We
the way
got
here.
1 crow here.
1 crow. Okay.
How many mice did you guys get? I just see 2 right there.
In the fields of Sinking Valley, we have 25 species, right?
26.
26. We have 26 species. Just got a juvenile bald eagle. Red-bellied woodpecker. Okay, so we just got an eastern meadowlark, which is pretty cool. Had some good finds. Had a kestrel. We're creeping up on 30 species. Anyways, here, so far, I've only seen tree sparrows. Did you see the harriers? 2. They were hunting.
Yeah, that's definitely a
So you
sapsucker.
see a sapsucker almost the same place that
Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
that Joe
Yeah.
got one, yes. Oh, I think those are horned larks.
They are. There's a horned lark soon.
Yeah.
All right, now we're on a golf course. Birding.
Velvet kingfisher.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Velvet kingfisher. Here.
Heard them. So we got a merlin out here,
I did see it.
and I got a photo of it, and it just went away, but
Did it?
did get the photo. I don't see it anymore.
Oh. What are those? Those are red-winged blackbirds,
Really?
I think. Zoom in.
I'm zooming.
Yeah.
Something out to the left.
What is it?
I don't know. Another bird of prey. It's flying pretty low. What is that?
It's a short-eared owl.
Is it? Yes.
Yeah, look at the...
That's a short-eared owl. Do you see
Well,
the wings?
I see the wings. I see the wings. Right, it's coming this way. Oh, it's turning. I think he saw us.
That's a short-eared owl. You see how he flies
Yeah.
different?
Dude, I just randomly put my camera up.
Look at his head. All right, high five. Oh, sorry.
Don't hit too hard because I'll lose you.
44, that's not bad.
That's good.
It's pretty damn good.
For December?
44 species.